Bitcoin is in immense crash danger. Bitcoin's price increased about 13% in the last days. But can we continue this move to the upside? Or is the chance higher that we will see a crash to lower levels again? I will share my Bitcoin analysis. I will share potential short entries, short price targets, and at what levels I think the price will increase again. You're on the channel Successful Trading and I help you to make maximum profits at the markets. So let's go straight into the content. So on the weekly chart you can see that we moved into this supply zone. This supply zone which caused this move to lower levels. So it's technically strong and the chance that we see a reaction from this zone is very high. And as you can see, as we came into this zone, we saw this rejection. And if you're using the Fibonacci tool, you can see that we perfectly reacted in this 0.618 Fibonacci level. And if we can't hold the 0.5 Fibonacci level right here, then the chance is higher that we see lower levels again. On the daily chart, we were in this bullish structure with higher lows all the way and higher highs. But after we sweep this supply zone with this wick, we then saw the strong bearish move to the downside. And we also broke this range low right here with this daily body close. We sweep the liquidity right here and then move to the upside again. Then we moved into this supply zone which caused the lower lows right here. And right now we are breaking this supply zone to the upside. And we swept a lot of liquidity which was resting over this area. And we are right now live moving over this last high right here. And if the hourly candle will close lower, then the chance is high that we just saw a liquidity grab right here and that we then see a move to the opposite direction. And if we are then breaking this last low which created this high and also this low right here with the body close, then the chance is way higher that we can see even lower prices. Also, if you're using the Fibonacci at this levels right here from this swing, you can see that we are just at the 0.5 Fibonacci level. So if we are seeing some rejection right here, the chance is high that we can also move to lower levels. And I'm using the AD indicator, which are not many people using. I'm not the biggest fan of indicators, but this indicator shows price action and volume. And as you can see, we built here a higher high, but in the AD indicator, we built a lower high. So it shows that the bullish power is decreasing right now. And we built an even higher high right now, and we built an even lower high right here live at this candle. And I think the chance is getting higher that we see lower levels right now. And if we look at the liquidation heat map, you can see that we just took out some resting orders over this high, and we have a big liquidation cluster right here. And if we go on the weekly time frame and on the Binance chart, we have an even bigger liquidation cluster right here at $39,500. So the chance that we see this kind of prices for the next days and weeks is very high. So the liquidation heat map shows that much liquidation is right here. And that makes much sense because we have this lows right here. And often over important lows and highs, we have much liquidity. We saw the strong bullish move to the upside, so here are many stop loss orders from long positions. So the chance if we now see the bearish move that we could reach this potential price targets is very high. So if we are now breaking this last low to the downside with the body close, then I will enter a short position and hodl it into these lows. The first really interesting price target is this low right here, because the chance is high that we have much liquidity under this low. And the liquidation heat map shows this as well. But if we see even lower prices, then I think this target right here at $40,000 is a great target for a potential short area. And when I will enter a short trade, I will share it in my Successful Trading free group. I share daily updates on the crypto market, Bitcoin and other altcoins. And more often, I will also share some signals of my trades. So if you want to join my free Telegram group, then you will find a link in the description. But what will happen if we now increase the price? If we now see a bullish reaction over this highs, then I would still look for a short entry in this area right here. But if we would break with bullish momentum over $45,000, then I think the chances high that we can see another bullish continuation. But as long as we don't break this one with bullish momentum, then I think the chances higher that we can see a large correction. So guys, I think the chances high that we can see a short move from these levels right here if we are breaking this last low. So please be careful guys with your long positions. And if you're entering a trade, a strict risk management is very important. Please keep this in mind guys. So guys, thank you really much for watching. I wish you great profits at trading and see you in the next one.